What's up, guys? Today I have a few things I want to try to get done. One of which is actually going to be doing some prime work. As I showed you guys in the previous video, we went ahead and already bodyworked all of that, bodyworked that, and then coming over here, same thing, bodywork this area and all of this as well. So I have a primer coming in, and once that comes in, we're going to go ahead and primer all of those parts, and then I think we should be fully ready for paint, which, by the way, we have an appointment at the end of this month, February 26th, but we might actually push that up a little sooner. Finally, the G35 is going to be getting painted. Comment down below if you guys can try to guess what color we are going with. We still need to go over that because there's a lot of explaining to do on the game plan, I guess you can say, for the car. But guys, if you guys are not subscribed already, please consider subscribing down below, hit that thumbs up, and comment down below as well. If you guys have not seen my previous video, check it out. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys want to see more content like that, going to car shows and meets and whatnot, definitely hit the thumbs up. Let me know, because definitely a lot of plans to start hitting up a lot of shows. Ripped out the whole back again. This is actually the new one. I already have it installed. I just have to finish tightening it up here, and then I have to take it off back here again and realign everything. And I've already went ahead and dyed it, but I just need to touch up some little parts, put the interior back together, and then we have the back seat belts again. And then the primer should be coming in today, and once it does, we will go ahead and get all of those parts primered, and then from there we'll kind of just see what happens. Alright, so I have pretty much everything adjusted. Went ahead and pulled this piece out. One thing I do need to do is actually splice these wires in to here. If you guys can see, let me try to zoom in on that. Reason for it, yeah, it completely just ripped on the old one. So I gotta get those cut. But I'm trying to see, they both look, oh, let me zoom back out. They both look like they have the same pattern. So I need to, I'm pretty sure it's just gonna be the same wire, either or. They're both yellow, they both have those little marks on them. So I think it should be the same. Also, guys, can we just take a moment? If you haven't seen my previous video, I talked about it. Comment down below if you guys can tell a difference in the video. New camera with the mic adapter and everything. Quality is unfreaking real. Check it out, guys. Damn, dude, so happy about it. Comment down below, let me know if you guys can notice. All right, guys, we got those connector pieces on, and I want to go ahead and just point something out real quick. I actually made a little video on this, but I'd never uploaded it. If you guys have an issue with that, your seatbelt locking up, there is a way to do it. So you're gonna have two sides, right? The side with the gearing is the side you're gonna want to do. So you're gonna want to hold it upright. You're gonna have what do you want to call it? Like a clamp or whatever here, here, and here. They're gonna look like that. All right. You would want to make sure you do not mess with any of those gears, though. Okay. You're gonna pop this off. Right in here, you're gonna have like a ball bearing, and that ball bearing pushes on this little piece that makes it to where the gears don't turn, which causes the lockup. Okay, so what you want to do is you just want to just grab it and just pull it to where now the gears will be able to spin freely. Go ahead and unwind however much you want, and then usually clamp like these two together so it does not go back in, and then just close it. Let me go ahead and pull it off, and I'll just show you guys. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and just show you guys on my old one. So again, this goes like this, right? Okay, so you pop those off, and there's that ball bearing. You see that ball bearing? It's pushing against that piece right here, which is going to the gears, which will make it to where you cannot see how it locks. But once you go ahead, and what you want to do is, okay, trying to do this one-handed. You can either grab a flathead or whatever, and watch. Okay, so right here, that pink part is touching that white part. Let me try to focus it for you guys the best I can. There you go. Okay, so what you're gonna do is, just by placing this, you can see now it's not touching. See it move? Okay, so like if I do that, let's say if I can keep that in there. Okay, it should. Again, this is hard one-handed, but you see how now it moves? And then watch, once we remove this, it locks back up. So that's how you do it. You just, like I said, you don't want to mess with any of the gearing. It's just all that piece right there. All right, seat belt is back in. Now we just got to throw the console back together. I had an issue with it recently, but it's fixed now. So we just got to pretty much throw all of that together, and then the interior is looking good. And then once the primer comes in, we'll go ahead and get everything cleaned and primed. And then for the most part, she's ready for paint. So I am so excited. And just like that, she's back together. Cool, super good. Super stoked, hell yeah. So now we have the interior finally back together. We have a working seatbelt, which I still kind of want to get one for that side regardless, just so both are in nice condition. We still have to do some touching up, like I said, right there, but not too big of a deal. Super happy. So I have not mentioned this yet in my videos, but we did have one of our roommates actually move out, and we have so much space. So I kind of wanted to give you guys a quick little look around and then show you our office, which I don't think is the cleanest yet, but I want to go ahead and show you guys and update you guys on all of that real quick. So starting over here, we are still organizing, or I am still organizing. I have so much stuff I still have to clean, but you can see we have so much space now for activities. We have all this storage available now and everything here. Here's some parts that are going to be actually going on the Scion TC, so expect some content on that very soon. But we have so much space now. And then over here, actually, same thing. I wanted to keep this wall very simple. If you guys remember, there used to be like a welding cart right here. I had 2 shelves here and here like that, and then a TV on top, and now you can see there's just nothing. So I have so much more space now to work, and especially when I park the car, I can get it very close when I back in. So we have so much space over here now, but nonetheless, it just looks so clean. I really wish we can take those mirrors down, because I do not like them from day one. I think it'll look nice, just a nice wall, but white wall. That's why I put the CCW flag over there. But yeah, I want to get, like, hopefully get this all down one day. I want to ask permission, because we don't own, so we're renting. But if I can get permission to take this down, I think that would be awesome. But we have so much space now. Everything over here is still being organized. I still have to go through everything, and then also everything here. But nonetheless, it's looking really good. But let me take you guys inside to our new room, which is now my editing room / my office, basically, where I make my stickers and whatnot. Workout area. It's my girlfriend's vanity area where she does her makeup and working out as well. And basically we have a futon, and let's just go show you guys. All right, so like I said, guys, it is very dirty right now. Everything is still being organized, but you can see got the vanity there, the TV, the PlayStation, all that good stuff. Or I said vanity, the futon, sorry, the vanity there. And then this is my whole new office area, new desk and everything. Super stoked on it. This is where everything goes down. A lot of cleaning up still to do, but nonetheless, this is the new kind of area, guys. Yes. There she is, boys. We got the primer.